Today I am going to make this crash bar, which is the I think it's plastic. I don't know which material is this. It's pretty hard. It goes right behind the bumper, the front bumper, and we gotta fit in here since we add all this intercooler. So I've got tons of emails of people saying, dude, how did you fit that thing in there? And the truth is I haven't yet, but I had a plan all along, but I haven't applied yet, so I'm gonna do that together with you. And I also got some emails saying, dude, don't even bother, don't put it there and all that stuff. So this is actually a very important thing. If someone crash on my car or even a light tap, what's going to happen is there's nothing in here and the bumper is very soft. So first thing I'm gonna hit is my intercooler. It's gonna get damaged. I don't want it. This is not gonna make pretty looks for anything because it goes behind the bumper, so there's no reason not to put it on. Okay, so let's get this done. Alright, so I found this little piece of wood, put it in there, and I align. The other way is you can also take that out and look on the top hole and you can see the bottom one, so you know that is aligned. In here I'm gonna mark my lines where they are, and I know what I need to cut. In this here, unfortunately, I need to cut a lot because of this pipe, which I don't mind. I'm gonna cut all the way here, but I won't go all the way up. I'm gonna come this way. I'm gonna draw in here what my plan is. So far, this is what I have. So I have a straight line for the intercooler. Of course, it doesn't reach the end here. Just need to align a little better. And here I'm not gonna cut anything on the top because it's gonna fit perfectly. The bottom I will need to shave a little bit, and then we're gonna cut again across. So I'm gonna try to preserve the whole front and leave a little lip in here. Otherwise, it's like it's pointless to have all of this in there. So yeah, let's start cutting. I'm gonna cut that part first, and then we're gonna go in here. I just made a little pause in here. This is all done. It's all the way to the end of the video, so it fit properly. I just want to tell you that when I cut the bar, so if you are doing with me right now, if you look at the edges, one side has an extra lip, the other one doesn't have it. So the extra lip goes to the top because that lip is this lip in here. Alright, so this part in here. So this goes to the top. Look at this thing here. The whole thing and the top. I marked everything as the bottom on the top, which was wrong. So I end up cutting twice. My bar is kind of useless right now. It's just as a frame. I might get another one in the future, but I mean, it kind of worked. But just so you know, so keep watching, and the process is still the same. Doesn't matter if it's up or down or whatever, but I did it wrong, so I just want to tell you. So that thing is eating through my discs because of all the plastic. It's grinding. It's never seen that. It's a very, very tough plastic. I think it has some fiberglass in it too. Alright, couple of things. Always wear the protective glasses. It's super cold here. And I don't know why I didn't think about this, but I'm gonna use my Sawzall. And let's see how it goes. Well, as you know already, I cut that upside down, so I need to redo some stuff. I mean, it's still protecting a lot because it's so strong, but I might go to the rec yard and get another one of those bars and do it properly so I have more material in there. But for now it's good. One thing that's happening to me now, this part here is hitting here, so I'm going to cut that out. Whoa! Ice falling out of my car. So let me cut it. So just so you see what's happening, I need to cut part of this. I already did. So the intercooler pipe works properly, and the front of the intercooler hits here. So I'm gonna remove this bottom lip, just a little bit of it. I'm gonna remove it, and yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing. This time I'm using the wheel because it's easier. Yeah, I'm gonna finish that and come back with the thing done. Alright guys, there you go. So, end of the game. I needed to remove the light that was here, so I ended up removing from both sides. So I removed that so I can fit the pipe in here. Pipe's gonna be exposed like that, which is kind of pretty cool. The other side, on the other hand, I don't have the pipe, so I gotta find out something to put in there. Here I'm gonna paint Car Mods Garage, another video, and that's pretty much it. Everything fits now, even though I made a mistake of cutting the bar upside down. It ended up working out for me. I might get a new bar, I'm not sure. Let's see how this plays out, but yeah, don't make the same mistake as I did. I started my video saying that I made a mistake, so you don't start with me and make the same mistake. I know a lot of you are here on my channel because of the Eclipse. This came long ways. Someday I'll do a 12-minute or 20-minute build from this car, since I got all the interior out, rubberized the floor, and did all that stuff. But you know, life goes on, and until I wait for parts on this guy, I am putting a, let me see if you can see there, I'm building a Toyota Supra engine, still Japanese guys, and I'm gonna put on my BMW. So I'm gonna take all that crap out, and I'm gonna put this 2JZ engine in there, which I'm also waiting for parts. So I have the head here, I have other parts. This is a 2JZ GE, which is not the turbo version, and I'm gonna get a single turbo I have in this box right here, which was supposed to be in this car, to be honest, and then I'm gonna put on that engine. So if you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. This gives me a hand to keep going, you know, and build more cars and have more fun, go drifting more. I answer messages, emails, whatever you guys send to me, I answer very quickly. So yeah, feel free to send me a message, leave a comment, like button, you know, all that crap, you know the drill. But do not forget to subscribe. All right, I'll see you on the next video.